Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, still on the night of the long knives, when the Malamis moved swiftly to get rid of Adams Oshiomhole and replace him with a Victor Giadam. So now more of the spillouts from that night, what happened on that night. As guys, I bring you this. Fayemi opens up on being barred from seeing President Buhari. So Fayemi apparently, allegedly, was prevented from seeing Malam Buhari on that night that the event took place. The governor of Ekiti State, Kayode Fayemi, has denied reports that he failed to see President Muhammadu Buhari when he visited the Aso presidential villa. In a statement signed by his chief press secretary, Yinka Oyebode, the governor accused a senior presidential aide of planting the story. Fayemi claimed that the aide, a former lawmaker, told close associates that he would battle him with falsehood and cheap blackmail. The statement insisted that Fayemi had no plans to see Buhari on Tuesday, as he had met him earlier in the day alongside Governor Abubakar Atiku Bagadu, Kebbi State, and Governor Simon Lalong, Plateau, and Governor Badaru Abubakar, Jigawa. Also present at the meeting were the Chief of Staff to the President, Professor Ibrahim Gambari, and the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami. The Ekiti governor was never denied any opportunity to see President Buhari, as he did not ask to see the president, neither did he go with Chief Giadam, the statement added. So this is now housekeeping now, because the several strands to this. The last part is quite telling actually. Neither did he go with Chief Giadam. So this is a guy that is also telling Tinubu that, look, I'm not involved and I did not see Buhari. So that one is a signal to Tinubu right there. The rest is just really a build up to that comment. That is some senator that is saying he's going to attack him and all this kind of nonsense. But this is a guy now positioning himself on the fence to go with wherever the chips fall. So it's a battle now between Tinubu and the Buhari government. Effectively now, this is what is going on. So the Buhari government, Tinubu, and the Kaduna State Governor El Rufai as a side dish. So that's just the tripod that is battling it out for the Nigerian state now. And this guy now is trying to put himself on the fence to say, look, I have not weighed one way or the other, so please don't come after me. So don't come after me by Fayemi, but really this is just whistling in the wind. We know he's a political tactician. I think he has his PhD in war studies or something. So this is a strategist, a learned and academic strategist, and a sharp mind. You see how he maneuvered himself from a cushy portfolio, minister of solid minerals and whatnot, to the Ekiti State House. So this is a guy that knows his pathway and has already set his own pathway in the political terrain that is Nigeria. So this is not a fool. So him now trying to play a fool fools no one. Conversations in the comment section, the plot thickens. What says you? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Then come tell me now in the comment section. Come join me in the comment section to tell me what you feel Fayemi is getting at, or why he felt the need to put this statement out in the public space. Come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.